Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLVS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and orange line here are coming into play. And the big dynamic here, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Wednesday, but talked about that resistance trend line right there, and you can see the price ultimately did get the break from there, which sent the price very nicely in the upwards direction. Sure, there's been a pullback, but the point here being, and the key dynamic, is that that trend line was broken, and as would be expected with the trend line break, it went to new highs. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that, though. Like I said, that level has played its role. What I'm also going to do here is adjust this level of support upwards to what I would now consider the newest ideal level of support. And the key dynamic there is, what direction did that support need to be adjusted? And whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher, definitely always a good thing, assuming, of course, you're bullish and long. And that's what needed to be done here. So support level adjusted higher to 980. But again, that's just the ideal level. I mean, if the price falls below there, that doesn't mean that the entire chart's destroyed or anything. But yeah, if the price could stay above 980, that would be a fantastic sign of power. However, taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 980 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance moving forward? Nothing fancy or complicated here. The party finally stopped today right up there at $10.55. So $10.55, public enemy number one, headed into Friday. All in all, though, the uptrend continues, so let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.